How do dash cameras protect plumbing companies? Dash cameras protect plumbing companies by recording video evidence of accidents, false liability claims, and driver behavior on the road, which helps owners avoid costly lawsuits and keeps insurance costs lower. Think of a dash camera like a tiny watchful eye that sits on your work truck and remembers everything it sees. When a plumbing company sends trucks out all day to different job sites, there's always a chance of a fender bender or someone claiming the truck hit them when it really didn't. Without proof, it becomes one person's word against another, and that can get expensive fast. A dash camera records the whole thing, so if something happens, the company has real footage to show what actually took place. Something a lot of people don't realize is that some insurance companies actually lower monthly premiums for businesses that install dash cameras, because it reduces their risk of paying out on fake or exaggerated claims. Dash cameras can also protect the company from the inside, since they can catch unsafe driving habits like speeding or hard braking, which helps prevent accidents before they even happen. Many modern systems even have two cameras, one facing the road and one facing the driver, so both sides of the story are always recorded. One common mistake is thinking a dash camera is only useful after an accident happens, but the real value comes from prevention, since drivers tend to drive more carefully knowing they're being recorded. Another mistake is buying a cheap camera with poor night vision or low storage, which means important footage might be blurry or gets overwritten before anyone can review it, so it's worth spending a little more for reliable quality. A lot of business owners also forget to tell their drivers about local recording laws, so it's smart to check your state's rules to make sure everything stays legal and transparent. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.